Hi guys, now I'm showing you how to do this hair band and hair tie. Let me show it to you. Wait, you'll see. So, we're here. I'm gonna cut my hair tie. Wait, let me cut it more. And then put a hair tie in it like this. And ponytail, and I'll show you the rest. First, grab one of these Sanrio and put it in your hand just in case. If you don't want to mess your hair right, so you need to put it. Let me turn around. You need to roll it like this. Roll it. Repeat and repeat to roll it. You have it. There you have it. A good product. If you have a hairband, you can use it and match your outfit when you go to sports. I'm going to sports today and I'll wait for the rain to stop. Look at the rain. Wait. It's literally raining. It's not sunny. It's literally raining. There. And there's my dog. Literally raining. Guys, it is not Sunday today, but today is holiday. Our holiday. It's raining. The Baguio first. And I don't know. Okay, bye. Bye, peace. I need to go now. Bye. I need to go to my lead board, gymnast. Okay, bye.